How to fix Valorant Windows 11 TPM 2.0 and secure boot error fix. To resolve this error, first of all, you have to understand this error. The error occurs because Valorant anti-cheat system Vanguard requires both TPM, that is a trusted platform module, and secure boot to be enabled in your system. These features enhance security and help prevent cheating by ensuring that only trusted softwares can run during system boot. So first of all, you have to just press Windows plus R, which is Windows run command will open up here. And here you have to search for tpm.msc. Now Vanguard is installed, then only you will able to see it, right? So it will open something like this. Here you can see trusted platform module here. To check secure boot, type system information here. So you can just go to the search bar and then you can search for it, right? And here you have to find system information. In the taskbar search, look for secure boot state, which should say on, right? This is very really important, and if it's not on, then there's something issue here. You have to make sure that it's on. Then to set up this, you have to access BIOS UEFI settings, restart your PC during the boot process. Press the appropriate key, usually F2, delete, or escape. To enter BIOS or UEFL settings, the key may vary based on your motherboard manufacturer, right? Now enable TPM 2.0, navigate to the security tab on the similar sections in your BIOS and look for this option labeled as a TPM or trusted, which is same thing, right? Which you can see here on the screen, right? Now select it enable or auto. Right, this is really important and this should be turned on in your system. And still with the BIOS, locate the secure boot option, often found under the boot or security tab. Change the settings to enable this up. Right, now save changes and exit. Press F10 to save changes and exit BIOS. Confirm any prompt that appear. Open tpm.msc again to confirm that TPM is still ready to use. Check the system information again to ensure secure boot is listed on. This is it, guys, and this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching.